Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Ford Fiesta Titanium. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which returning up to 43 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of 9, and the car's covered just over 27,000 miles. And also the car's been serviced 10 times during that time, so really good service history. This particular colour is the Panther Black, which is metallic and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, first of all, you've got the nice clean interior there, the nice hard-wearing fabric on the seats, and as you can see, it's in great condition. The Titanium's a top-of-the-range model, so it comes with loads and loads of features. A few that I can mention: you've got your DAB radio and Bluetooth there at the top, and this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card, you've got your folding electric mirror controls and your 2 front window switches. Being the 5-door version, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's some pockets in the back of the front seats and a cup holder there in the centre as well. Also, I see the car's got the original Ford carpet floor mats as well, so that's good to see. As we open the tailgate on the Fiesta, you've got the nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place, and then you also have a tyre inflator kit underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.